Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the BABYCE electronic piano keyboard, specifically their 61 key model. This instrument is designed with beginners firmly in mind, making it an excellent choice for anyone just starting their musical journey, whether they're students or adults. One of the main goals of this keyboard is to help newcomers grasp fundamental musical concepts and develop basic standard skills. It aims to provide a solid foundation for learning piano. Looking at the features, it comes equipped with 61 delicate black and white keys, which is a standard size for many beginner keyboards, offering enough range to start learning simple melodies and chords. Functionality is quite rich for a beginner instrument. It boasts 16 different kinds of timbre, allowing players to experiment with various instrument sounds. There are also 8 kinds of percussion instrument recordings built in, adding another layer of musical exploration. For rhythm practice, it includes 10 different rhythm styles to play along with. A special feature that adds a fun element, especially for younger learners or just for casual enjoyment, is the included mini microphone. This allows users to sing along while they are playing, turning practice sessions into mini performances. The keyboard also includes a recording function, which is incredibly useful for beginners. It allows them to record what they play, listen back to their progress, identify areas for improvement, or simply capture their first musical creations. Overall, the BABYCE 61 key electronic keyboard appears to be a well-rounded package for the absolute beginner. It provides the essential tools and features needed to start learning piano in an accessible and engaging way. Its focus on foundational skills, combined with features like the microphone and recording, makes it suitable for meeting the needs of beginners, students, and adults alike who are looking for their first digital piano.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.